Is Abilify controlling your brain or fixing it? Millions take it, but very few actually understand what it does inside your mind. Today, we're breaking down Aripiprazole, the science, the side effects, the truth no one properly explained. Whether you searched Abilify or Aripiprazole 5 mg tablet, Abilify 10 mg tablet, or even what does Abilify do to the brain, this video will give you or serve as a complete clarity guide. Hi, my name is Mayank. I am registered pharmacist with RX Indian Pharmacist channel, your go-to guide to pharmacy knowledge. If you're first time watching my video, consider subscribing it. So let's understand what is Abilify. Abilify, also called aripiprazole, is not just any medicine. It is a third generation antipsychotic used for conditions like schizophrenia, bipolar disorder, and for depression, also for autism irritability. It works by changing brain chemicals like dopamine and serotonin. If we talk and want to understand in simple language, this is not just a sedative, it's a brain balancer. What does Abilify do to the brain? Let's understand this. Now, here is where things get crazy. Most psychiatric drugs either block dopamine or increase dopamine. But what does Abilify do? It does both. When dopamine is high, it reduces it and calms it down. And when dopamine is low, it increases its level. This is called dopamine stabilizer. Imagine a smart AC. It cools when you feel hot. It heats when you feel cold. Scientific breakdown. Partial agonist at D2 receptors. It works on serotonin receptors too. And the result? It results in less hallucination, better mood stabilizer, improved analytical thinking. Now let's understand how does Abilify work for schizophrenia. Schizophrenia is basically a dopamine imbalance problem. If there is too much dopamine, hallucinations would occur. If it is too less, low motivational levels would be felt. You would question your self-worth. Abilify balances both. That's why it helps positive symptoms, less hallucination and delusions, and it works upon negative symptoms like low energy, social withdrawal. This is why it's called as a game changer drug. Abilify Maintena injection. Let's understand about this. Now let's talk about something most people search. Abilify Maintena injection. It is a long-acting injection given only once a month. It is best suited for patients who forget tablets or experiencing severe schizophrenia. One shot, stable brain chemistry for weeks. Now let me explain you about its dosage. Let's decode. Aripiprazole is started with 5 mg dose for mild symptoms. Abilify 10 mg for most common doses, and dosage beyond 10 mg, higher doses is reserved for severe cases. Always doctor controlled, not self-medication. Let's talk about the side effects of Abilify. Now, the part that no one should ignore. Common side effects. Its common side effects could be restlessness, insomnia, nausea, and it could cause constipation. Less common but important side effects could be it could make you gain weight. You could feel dizziness throughout. It could cause alteration in sleep. Serious but less common side effects. Uncontrollable urges like gambling or eating. Movement disorders. Rare but severe reactions. This is why monitoring is crucial. Now let's talk about how fast does it work. It starts working within 1 to 2 weeks. Full effect you could experience between 2 to 3 months. Patience is key. This is not a just quick fix. Now let me speak about a final truth. Abilify is not just a magic, but it's one of the most advanced psychiatric drugs we have. It doesn't numb your brain, but it balances intelligently. Used correctly, it can transform lives. So, if you like this video, consider giving it a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel, RX Indian Pharmacist, your go-to guide to pharmacy knowledge. So, see you next week in another video like this. Until then, bye for now.